I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hey John, so welcome back to my channel. Today is another great day with love_Jawada, and welcome back to my channel. And if you already don't know who I am, hello, my name is Jawada, and welcome to the Gem Nation. And we are back with another banger video for Vlogmas. Before we get started with this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below one of the items that you're gonna love in this piece, whether it's the first, second, or third thing. And comment down below something that you like to do during Christmas, whether it's dressing up, sleeping in, or one of those things. So let's comment down below what you like to do for Christmas, and let's go ahead and read the scripture of the day. John 14:6, and it says, Jesus answered, I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. So if you're at this point in the video, yes, this is the final look. I'm all glammed out and everything, as you can see. My hair is done, you know what I'm saying, but today, if you already did read the title, it is going to be a 3-in-1, and I think this is the first time I'm doing this on my channel, and I'm very excited for this to turn out. I love this outfit. This dress is so cute, and yeah, so I hope you all enjoy this video. It's just a quick little, prelude to what's going on, and this is also a way that you can just get glammed up for wherever you're gonna go, and have fun in your home, play dress up or whatever. But yeah, this is also like a look that you can go for formal, or if you want to do something quick and fun, quick and simple look. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video. But if you don't know what 3-in-1 is, it's when I do 3 things in one video. And in this case, my 3-in-1 is my hair. So I slick this up into a high ponytail, and curls popping out or whatever. But I slick this up, put it in a ponytail, did my edges or whatever. And then I did like a little smoky eye. I think I did really great on that. And then I got, put some jewelry on, had my dress. I paired it up with a couple different things, for the look that I was going for. And yeah, I hope you all really enjoy this video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started so y'all can go see what I did. All right, so I know my hair is looking rough or whatever, but yeah, I'm just gonna put it in like a ponytail. I'm just gonna wet it with some water really quick, and hold on, I'm just gonna, yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna wet it and put some water and then conditioner, because I need to wash my hair, but also let my hair sit in some conditioner, because I did have braids in my hair, so I'm just giving my hair a little break.
Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you, 'cause not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy, 'cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like
like, what, 12 hours later? Not really, but it's a little while later, and you know, my face, you know, looks cute, whatever. I like this side better than this side because this side kind of goes more like out like this way, and this side's more like up like this. And I think it's more symmetrical to my face and like my eyebrows. But then again, this eyebrow might be a little bit messed up. But overall, I look cute. Okay, and then I got my lashes. Don't know if y'all can really, hold on, let me see if y'all can. There you go. Wowie. Okay, so, you know, looks cute or whatever. And I know y'all probably like, oh my god, what is she doing with her face? Because I look like light bright at first, but trust me, it's okay. I just needed to put something under my foundation. And yeah, that's really what this look is. It's really cute. Lashes cute. My lash plug, you know, definitely gonna take some pictures for her after this so she can, you know, see what this looks like. And then yeah, I'm gonna go change, and then we're gonna see for the final look. Video, you have finished my 3-in-1, and I hope you all enjoyed it. And it was really fun making it. And today I was like, you know what, I think I need to pick me up. Some people might want to see other people, you know, dress up or whatever, because I've just been in the house and I was like, I want to get dressed today. I want to do my makeup, and I think I did a great job on makeup. I think this has probably been the best of my makeup in my makeup history. And do y'all see this highlight? Hold up, hold what? And my face looks really smooth. It looks really even. It doesn't look oily. It doesn't look dry. I mean, it looks really, really matte and like natural. It doesn't look cakey at all. And I don't even need a filter, which is the best thing. Like, I don't need a filter, but a lot of times I just don't really necessarily feel confident as in my makeup. Not saying it was bad, but it just didn't look as flawless as I would want it to. But honey, like, this looked good. And I had really so much fun making this video for you all. And I hope you all enjoyed it. But yeah, that's the end of the video. And I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and are enjoying the Vlogmas segment. So stay tuned for tomorrow for another upload. And yeah, so I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below which part of the 3-in-1 you like best. Okay? Okay? So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.